Veed.io vs Premiere Pro, which one is better? Need to edit videos but not sure which tool to pick? Let's break it down. Veed.io is the easy, browser-based editor perfect for quick social clips, subtitles, and simple cuts. No downloads, AI tools, and super beginner-friendly. Premiere Pro is the industry standard for pros, full control, advanced effects, and seamless workflow with other Adobe apps, but it's complex and expensive. Differences between Veed.io vs Premiere Pro. Veed.io is easy to use, but Premiere Pro is not. Veed.io can do basic editing, but Premiere Pro can do advanced editing. Veed.io leads to low costing, but Premiere Pro is high. Veed.io is best for beginner, but Premiere Pro is for professional. Choose Veed.io if you want fast, simple edits. Go for Premiere Pro if you need advanced editing. Thanks for watching.